How to relieve a toothache fast using tea bags. Toothache home remedies. While you wait to get to the dentist to fix the underlying cause of your toothache, turn to your kitchen pantry for this natural toothache remedy. Anyone who ever had a toothache in their life knows that it's one of the most irritating type of pains that human being can experience. It's also one of the most common types and is generally takes up by surprise. Contrary to what most think, it's not always caused by a bad tooth. Toothaches can occur due to the various reasons, but they normally occur in the response to an inflammation in the dental pulp, commonly known as a canal or a nerve. So it's very hard to know how to treat toothaches. Ideally, we should go to a dentist so that he can tell you what is causing the pain and how to treat it correctly. But what about when you are in pain and can't do the dentist immediately? What do you do then? In today's video, we are going to teach you a very simple trick that can help you relieve toothaches at home. All you need is a tea bag and a little water. Choose a type of tea that is rich in tannic acid. Green tea and black tea are great choices. This is due to the fact that the tannins present in the tea are great at reducing swellings and increasing our blood's ability to clot, aiding in the healing process. Here's what to do. Put the tea bag on a flat plate. Add just enough water to cover the tea bag. Heat up the plate for 15 to 30 seconds in the microwave. Once the time is up, remove the tea bag and wring it out. Place the warm tea bag in your mouth, covering your aching tooth and gum. Bite down on it and hold it in place with your lips in order to keep the heat inside your mouth. If you can't do that, hold it in place with your hand and try to keep your mouth as closed as possible. As soon as the tea bag cools off, you may remove it from your mouth. You can repeat this procedure anytime you feel the need to. Another important thing is that some toothaches get worse with heat and others with cold. If you feel like your toothaches have gotten worse after this treatment, then that means it's sensitive to heat and you need to put the tea bag in your mouth after it's cooled off.